start with the table topic master of tonight, Wallace. So Wallace, thanks for coming up with all the 4 questions. Did you come up with the theme of tonight's meeting as well, or did the other committee did that?
No, I know the theme of tonight, so I just try to make the questions related to the theme.
Yeah. So you can see that all the 4 questions are very related to the theme, and actually I think the questions are quite personal as well. So actually you can ask the table topic respondents. They can table topic speakers. Okay. Table topic speakers can use their own stories and experience to relate to your question and also relate to the theme. And I think actually all the 4 speakers did this to a certain extent. So for you, I think you have explained the question quite well, so that the table topic speakers can understand the questions, and also your projection of voice and also eye contact are also quite good. Well done. So next I'm going to move on to table topic speakers. The first speaker, Kathy. Yes. Kathy, you talk about your experience when you reach a new horizon, and you talk about your journey, your exchange journey to Spain. Yeah, so you actually use your own story to relate to answer this question, and it is actually a very common way to answer table topic question, and you did it quite well. One suggestion that I would like to give it to you is that I noticed that your eye contact is quite focused on this area, somewhere around Irene. Yeah. So maybe you find a certain some of the audience, maybe they have they look more friendly. Yeah. So I can say maybe your comfort zone is around some of the audience. So maybe you can try to from time to time try to look at some other audience as well, so to get more all-rounded eye contact. Especially this is quite a small room, so I think it is not very difficult to do this. So you can try. Yeah. The next speaker is Chris. Yeah, this is Chris. Sorry. Okay, so you talk about your what's the next step after reaching the new horizon, right? I think I like your performance very much, because I think it is a very structured answer to the question. First, talk about some of his own views. I think I like the comparison very much. At first you say that you just like staircase, you reach it step by step. Yeah, and then afterwards you also give us some examples, such as when changing jobs, how if we need to keep happy, and we define the next step in the level of achievement. And a good thing that also many good speakers in table topics do is to make use of the other speeches in the same meeting as well. So you actually make use of Alvin's speech content to make it into your own table topic speech, so that the more developed the idea and connect the whole meeting as well. So I think this point we can all learn from Chris. So yeah, well done. And yeah, the next speaker is Terry. Did I remember correctly?
Yeah.
Yeah, Terry. Hi. You talk about what do we need to do to reach a new horizon, and you mentioned straight at the beginning. The key is aspiration to life, and I think the overall flow of your speech is very clear, and we are very clear about what you are thinking and what you want to deliver to us. One suggestion I would like to give to you is it's also about eye contact. I think at the near the end of your speech is quite okay. But at the beginning, sometimes when seems that when you're thinking, you're either looking at the floor, looking at the ceiling. So yeah, maybe you can try to look at the audience to make them do not know that you are thinking that obvious. Yeah. Okay. So the last speaker is the other Chris. You talk about us a new horizon in society and how did that impact to you. You talk about the means to bring communication together.
Sure.
Yeah. So about some technology regarding communication. I think your overall delivery is the position of voice is very clear, and the eye contact is also very good. One thing that I couldn't see very much that you didn't talk much about how did that new horizon in society impacts you. So you can try to make better use of the time to answer all the elements in that question. Yeah. So I think our time is up. So thanks all for the conversation.
Well, I think all the participants tonight, I would like to have your comment on them. So may I take this chance to select a paper on your hand? May I remind you that you also need to pick the best speaker of tonight and the best evaluator and also the best table topic speaker of tonight. This vote for the best speaker in your heart.